Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether you're seated or lying down. Allow your body to settle, your shoulders to soften, and your breath to flow naturally. This is your time to reconnect with the infinite potential within you, to recondition your subconscious mind, and to step into a new version of yourself. Gently bring your awareness to the space between your eyes. Feel the stillness there, the subtle energy that exists in that quiet space. There's no need to force anything, just notice. Can you sense the calm, expansive energy resting between your eyes? Let your focus linger here, softening into the sensation. Now, shift your attention to the space between your temples. Feel the width of that space, the quiet volume that stretches across your head. There's a gentle energy here, a sense of openness. Can you feel it? Allow yourself to rest in this awareness, sensing the space as it holds you in its calm embrace. Bring your focus now to the space your nostrils occupy. Notice the air moving through them, the subtle sensation of breath. Can you sense the volume of space inside your nose? Feel how it connects you to the world around you, each breath a quiet rhythm. Stay here for a moment, present with the sensation. Now, move your awareness to the space between your tongue and the back of your throat. Feel the openness there, the soft energy of that space. Can you sense the volume of your throat, the quiet expanse it holds? Let your attention rest here, noticing the stillness and ease. Gently guide your awareness to the space around your ears. Feel the energy that surrounds them, the subtle vibrations of the world. Can you sense the space beyond your ears, extending outward? Allow yourself to feel held by this energy, as if the space itself is cradling you in calm. Now, bring your focus to the space below your chin. Notice the softness there, the gentle energy that flows around your neck. Can you feel the volume of space encircling your neck? Let your awareness expand, resting in the quiet embrace of this space. Shift your attention to the space beyond your chest. Feel the energy that surrounds your heart, the steady rhythm of your breath. Can you sense the openness around your chest, the expanse that holds you? Stay here, feeling the calm energy that flows through this space. Now, move your awareness to the space beyond your shoulders. Feel the weight of the day softening, the tension easing. Can you sense the energy around your shoulders, the quiet volume that surrounds them? Let yourself rest in this spaciousness, feeling supported and at ease. Bring your focus to the space behind your back. Notice the energy that flows along your spine, the quiet strength that holds you. Can you feel the space beyond your spine extending outward? Allow yourself to sink into this awareness, sensing the calm that surrounds you. Now, guide your attention to the space between your thighs. Feel the connection there, the subtle energy that flows. Can you sense the space that links your knees, the quiet expanse between them? Rest here, noticing the stillness and ease. Shift your awareness to the space around your feet. Feel the energy that surrounds them, the grounding connection to the earth. Can you sense the space beyond your feet, extending outward? Let yourself feel anchored in this calm, expansive energy. Now expand your awareness to the space around your entire body. Feel the energy that envelops you, the quiet embrace of the space you occupy. Can you sense the expanse beyond your body, the infinite stillness that holds you? Rest here, feeling connected to this vast, peaceful energy. Gently bring your focus to the space between your body and the walls of the room. Notice the volume of the room itself, the quiet energy that fills it. Can you sense the space that the entire room occupies? Allow yourself to feel held by this expanse, as if the room itself is part of your awareness. Now, expand your awareness even further to the space that all of space occupies. Feel the infinite expanse, the boundless energy that connects everything. Can you sense the vastness of this space, the limitless potential it holds? Rest in this awareness, feeling the calm and possibility that surround you. As you linger in this infinite space, allow yourself to let go of who you think you are. Release the labels, the roles, the stories. Become nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere, in no time. Become pure consciousness, an awareness resting in the infinite field of possibilities. Feel the freedom in this, the openness of being untethered to the past or the future. You are simply here, now, in this vast, peaceful space. In this state, you are investing your energy into possibility. You are aligning with the potential for a new life, a new way of being. Your thoughts are the seeds, sending signals out into this infinite field. Your feelings are the magnets, drawing the experiences back to you. What would it feel like to already be living the life you desire? What would it feel like to be whole, to be at peace, to be free? Move into a state of gratitude now. Feel the warmth of giving thanks for a new life before it's even appeared. Gratitude is the key that unlocks the door to your future. When you feel grateful, you're signaling that the event has already happened. The longer you stay in this feeling, the more you draw that new life toward you. Let gratitude fill your heart, your body, your entire being. Feel it as if it's already yours, because in this moment, it is. Stay here, lingering in this state of receivership. Feel the energy of your new life, your new self, flowing through you. Let it anchor in your body, in your heart, in your mind. You are reconditioning your subconscious, aligning it with the truth of who you are becoming. Every breath strengthens this connection. Every moment deepens your trust. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your body. Feel the gentle weight of your limbs, the steady rhythm of your breath. Notice the space you occupy, but now with a new sense of possibility. You are carrying this energy with you, this connection to the infinite field of potential. As you move forward, know that you can return to this space anytime. This practice is a tool to rewire your mind, to align your energy, to step into the life you're meant to live. With each breath, you are creating, healing, and becoming. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes, carrying this calm, this gratitude, this possibility with you into your day.